Hey, welcome to this video, and I am going to quickly go over the 3 things you need in order to start day trading today. It's very easy, very simple. It can be daunting for those of you who haven't traded in stock or cryptocurrency or done any trading of that sort. It can be a little daunting, so my advice to you is calm down, follow my video. It's step by step. And when eventually you do start with a very small amount. One thing you always have to bear in mind is that with cryptocurrency trading, with the stock market, with anything like that, you've really got to be prepared to lose whatever you invest. It's just like a basic rule of thumb. So you don't want to be trading with money that you're going to need, say, to pay rent or your mortgage and things like that. So let's move it forward. Very first thing you need is cryptocurrency. So if you're going to be trading with cryptocurrency, you need to be able to purchase cryptocurrency. Now, 2 main currencies I would recommend that you start with are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are the 2. Bitcoin is the first ever cryptocurrency coin ever. So it is pretty much the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, and Ethereum is not too far behind. Personally, I like to trade with Ethereum. That's just my personal preference. For you, it could be Bitcoin. It's good to start with Bitcoin because I did start with Bitcoin. So purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, how are you going to purchase the cryptocurrency? Well, there is a link right below in the description box, right underneath this video. It's a link to an exchange where you'll need to set up a free account. Click on the link, set up your free account. In that free account, you will be given instructions on how to connect your checking account or your current account to the free cryptocurrency account. So you're going to need to connect your regular day-to-day fiat currency account to this particular cryptocurrency account. And in this case, it's Coinbase. Number 2, after you've opened your Coinbase account, so this is the account that you need to purchase your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, the second thing you need to do is to open another account. Now this time it's a trading account. They still are both cryptocurrency accounts. The difference being with Coinbase, it allows you connect your regular fiat day-to-day current account, your checking account, to your cryptocurrency account. With this one, and it's called BINANCE, you're going to use it purely as your trading account. So there's no feature on this particular exchange for you to connect it to your regular day-to-day checking account. Again, I've left a link in the description box right below this video that will take you directly to Binance, and then from there you can set up your own trading account, and then you're almost there because there's one last step, and that is, now you have your 2 accounts. You have your Coinbase account from where you're going to purchase your cryptocurrency, and then you have your Binance account from where you're going to trade your cryptocurrency. But because you've just opened your Binance account, you need to move your funds into it. So number 3 is you now need to move your funds from your Coinbase account to your Binance account. And what I've done is I will leave I think I'm pointing in the right direction. I will leave a link above this video to another video of mine where I show you how to move your currency, your cryptocurrency, from Coinbase to Binance. The example I use in this particular video, leaving up there, up above this one, is an example of me moving my cryptocurrency from Gemini, which is another cryptocurrency account, to Binance. But the thought behind it and the basics behind it are all the same. So it's the same idea. So follow the video above, and then you can get your cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account to your Binance account. And after that, pretty much you are set to trade. And so all I can say is happy trading. Start off with a very small amount. When I started, I believe I started with, I think I first started with $200 worth of Ethereum. Soon after that, I upped it a bit to about $500. And right now I'm trading with a little bit more than $500, but you know, it's been a slow and steady progression. So you want to get comfortable with the small amount. You know, you want to see, of course, with a small amount, you'll see smaller gains. And with a larger amount, you'll see larger gains. But still, you need the confidence to be able to, you know, pretty much hit the button and say buy or sell. I hope this video has been useful, and if it has, then don't forget to subscribe. If you do, you're entered in a monthly draw at the end of every month, and you could win up to 0.2 of a Litecoin. Also, like my video, and when you do that, it helps me, it serves as a reminder for me to donate one of these items to the homeless in Camden, New Jersey, which is an inner city very close to where I live. So you can be part of that initiative, not by giving, but by liking. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe. And oh yes, hit the bell. If you hit the bell, then that way you get my videos as soon as I have made them. And I hope to meet you on the next video. Happy trading.